Welcome, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting project that combines programming with a classic game. You will have to build a bingo simulator using Python. This project will help you practice random number generation, list manipulation, conditional statements, basic game logic implementation, user input handling. 1. Write a function to generate bingo cards for 2 players. Each card will have 10 numbers arranged in 2 rows and 5 columns. 2. Game initiation and number calling. The program will ask players if they want to start the game. If yes, it will simulate drawing bingo balls by generating random numbers between 0 and 99. These numbers will be displayed with a 1-second delay between each, mimicking a real bingo game's pace. 3. Winning condition check. As numbers are called, the program will prompt players to enter bingo if they think they have a match. When a player enters bingo, the program will verify if at least 3 numbers on their card match the called numbers. If correct, the program will declare the winner. Let's look at what we expect our program to output. 1. The program starts by displaying the cards for both players. For example, player 1's card, 61, 29, 21, 42, 23, 1, 5, 54, 4. Player 2's card, 54, 81, 82, 4, 45, 80, 74, 18, 47, 6. 2. It then asks if the players want to start the game. In our example, the response is yes. 3. The program begins calling out bingo numbers. Bingo number is 19. Bingo number is 34. Bingo number is 43. Bingo number is 40. Bingo number is 41. 4. After each number, it prompts, enter bingo if you have it, or press enter to continue. This output demonstrates the interactive nature of our bingo simulator, showing how it generates cards, calls numbers, and prompts for player input. Remember, your actual implementation might vary slightly, but this gives you a good idea of what to aim for. Happy coding, and may the best bingo player win. Remember, the project is available at practically.com along with many other Python challenges.